Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting a type 2 problems in future value in which they will give multiple cash flows or uneven cash flows. So each cash flow will not be same, there will be different cash flow. In type 1 problems, whatever we have solved, only one single amount was given. They had given, but now in this type 2 problems, they will give multiple amounts. So the formula to calculate the future value when it is multiple cash flow or uneven cash flow, it is P1 in the bracket 1 plus I n minus 1 plus for the second year it will be n minus 2. For third year it will be n minus 3. Like that similarly nth term. So for how many years they have given the information, for that many years we have to extend the formula. So let us try to solve the problem. Calculate future value at the end of 5 years. So 5 years, you have to calculate at the end of 5 years of the following series of payment at 8% rate of interest. The rate of interest is 8%. So at the end of first year, he had invested 1000 rupees. At the end of second year, he had invested 2000 rupees. At the end of third year, he has invested 3000 rupees. At the end of fourth year, he has invested 4000 rupees. And at the end of fifth year, he has invested 5000 rupees. So now we have to calculate the future value. Let us see how to calculate this future value. So first write down the formula. So total 5 years is there. Future value is equal to P1 present value of first year plus 1 plus I into n minus 1 plus present value of second year in the bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 2 plus present value of third year in the bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 3 plus present value of fourth year 1 plus I to the power of n minus 4 plus present value of fifth year into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 5. So this is the formula. Now present value of first year is 1000. So present value of first year is 1000 into I, 1 remains same, plus I is 8%. So 8 by 100 into n. Actually how many years? 5 years. But we have to do 5 minus 1. We have to do 5 minus 1. Next, second year it is 2000. Okay, so 1 plus 8 by 100, number of years is 5 minus, so it is second year, so 5 minus 2 plus third year it is 3000 into 1 plus 8 divided by 100 into 5 minus 3 plus fourth year it is 4000 rupees into 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of 5 minus 4 plus fifth year it is 5000. Okay, fifth year it is 5000 into 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 5 minus 5. Okay, now let us try to evaluate. So first it will be 1000 into 1 plus 8 divided by 100 you have to do. So 8 divided by 100 is 0.08 into 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 2000 into 1 plus 0.08, 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 3000 into 1 plus 0.08 into 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4000 into 1 plus 0.08. Okay, 0.08. 5 minus 4 is 1 plus next 5000 into 1 plus 0.08. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 ಬಂದು 0. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ evaluate ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 1000 plus 1.08 to the power of 4 plus 2000 1.08 to the power of 3 plus 3000 into 1.08 to the power of 2 plus 4000 into 1.08 to the power of 1 plus 5000 to the power of 1.08 into 0. Now I will teach you one trick which will be easy for you to solve. First write only this present value. First present value ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 0. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಇಸ್ 1. ಯಾವುದೇ 0 ಇಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಪವರ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1.08. So now what you do is write this 1.08 ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಇಂಟು ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಸತಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಒತ್ತಿ. ಸೊ 1.1664 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1.1664. Next press equal sign once again. You will get 1.2597. 3 decimals ತನಕ 4 decimals ತನಕ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. 1.2597. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1.3604. 1.3604. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 1000 into 1.3604 will be 1360.4 plus 2000 into 1.2597 equals 2519.4 plus 3000 into 1.1664 equals 3499.2 plus 4000 into 1.08 is 4320 plus 5000 into 1 is 5000. ಈಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1360.4 plus 2519.4 plus 3499.2 plus 4320 plus 5000 ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 16,699 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So future value is this one, 16,699 rupees. So this is how you need to solve when they have given uneven and multiple cash flows. Uneven ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇಯರ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ uneven ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem very well. In my next video, I'll come back with some more problems related to type 2. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.